Resolution 2020.
नैना बरसे रिम झिम पिया तोरे आवन किया नैना बरसे रिम झिम पिया तोरे आवन किया नैना बरसे रिम झिम नैना बरसे 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 अधूरा हूँ मैं अफसाना जो याद आऊँ चले आना हो अधूरा हूँ मैं अफसाना जो याद आऊँ चले आना मेरा जो हाल है तुझ बिन वो आकर देखते जाना भीगी भीगी पलकें छम छम आंसू छलके खोई खोई आंखें हैं उदास नैना बरसे रिम झिम पिया तोरे आवन किया नैना बरसे रिम झिम नैना बरसे 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 वो दिन मेरी निगाहों में वो यादें मेरी आहों में हो वो दिन मेरी निगाहों में वो यादें मेरी आहों में ये दिल अब तक भटकता है तेरी उल्फत की राहों में सोनी सोनी राहें सहमी सहमी बाहें आंखें मेरी बरसों की प्यास नैना बरसे रिम झिम पिया तोरे आवन किया नैना बरसे रिम झिम नैना बरसे बरसे बरसे
Thank you so much, everybody. So since I sang Aapki Nazron Ne Samjha yesterday, it reminded me of this whole time that of my childhood that I spent preparing for this big competition of my life at that point called the Yadgare Rafi Society competition, the Rafi Night. We were sent from school to sing in that competition, and then it became a yearly affair for me to sing in that competition every year. I remember it was okay, so the guys had to sing only songs by Rafi ji and the girls had to sing songs by Lata ji. And the amazing thing is that every time there was a preliminary, then there were stages of the competition, and every competition I had this amazing cold every time. I used to have, like, a sinus problem used to start coming in, my nose used to start blocking, I used to have a throat problem, my throat used to swell, and I it was all because of stress. And I used to never remember going up to the stage and singing and coming back. And there used to be this doctor called Dr. Bangi, a homeopathic doctor, who I used to go to for before every competition, and eat his medicine, like, those small homeopathic sugary things, like every 30 minutes, even if that was not the dosage. I used to be so scared. But I had the time of my life preparing and singing for that competition always. And once I also received a runners-up award by Asha Parekh ji, which was, I mean, it was amazing. And I was all of 13 years old, and I remember, I mean, it was such a funny time. It almost feels like it's a time from another life. Yeah, my parents used to always be prepared, like, so geared up for the whole competition. And we used to go and perform in this theatre called the Tego Theatre in Sector 18 in Chandigarh. It was all such beautiful memories, and I made some everlasting friendships during this time, and I cherish those memories till date. And yeah, so I thought that this series from yesterday onwards, following a few more days, will be dedicated to all the songs that I learned during the Yadgare-Rafi Night competition. So yeah, this was one of them, and tomorrow will be another one, and I will see you tomorrow. Resolution 2020.